we will be reviewing greater than, less than, and we will be doing 2 story problems today. Materials needed, paper, and then something to write with. Hi everybody, how we doing at home? I know that it can be a bit of a crazy time right now. We're all trying to figure out what to do, how to do it, all that stuff. I really miss everybody so much. I would much rather be there at school with you guys than doing this. So I just want you to know that I do miss you, and I hope you're listening to your moms and dads and families there at home. Be good listeners for them because they're trying to figure this out too. Today for our lesson, the first thing we're going to do is greater than, less than, and then we'll do 2 story problems. And today we're going to do 2 story problems about Kari. Each day I'll do a different friend in our classroom. So for our greater than, less than, our friends at school know how to do this. We show an alligator mouth for whichever number is greater, which one the alligator wants to eat. So we'll do 5 of them. The first 2 numbers are 11 and 14. Which one is greater, bigger? If you said 14, that is correct. 14 is greater than 11. Next one. 19 and 17. Which one is greater? All right, if you showed 19 with your hand facing toward the 19, the alligator wants to eat that one. You are correct. 19 is greater than 17. All right, we have 25 and 28. Which one is greater? 28 is greater than 25. 32 and 22. A little bit trickier. Which one is greater? I know that the 2's are the same at the end, but it's the first number you want to look at. The 32 is bigger than, greater than the 22 because the 3, the first number, is bigger than the 2. Last one. Which one is greater, 26 or 26? I'm hoping I didn't trick you. They are equal. They're the same. We kind of do this for equal, right? So the next part of our lesson is going to be doing 2 story problems around Kari. So you want your pen, pencil, and a piece of paper. So the first problem is Kari had 9 Barbie dresses. I know she likes Barbie dresses. So Kari had 9 Barbie dresses. And what do my friends and I do? We don't draw fancy pictures, right? We just draw circles because that's the quickest way to draw something. We just want to find out the answer, not fancy pictures. So Kari had 9 Barbie dresses. So that's what I have. I have 9 Barbie dresses. Okay, she got 3 more Barbie dresses. She got 3 more Barbie dresses. Go ahead, do that part. Remember, when I say more, that means that we are adding more. We're not crossing off. And I'm hoping that you guys at home did the same thing as me. You're drawing the 3 more below the 9, so we know how many we started with and how many more we added. Now, let's see if we can write the equation for that. We'll do this first one together. So how many Barbie dresses did Kari start with? She started with 9. Okay, and then are we adding, plus, or are we minus, taking away? We are adding. How many more dresses did Kari get? She got 3 more. Equals, how many dresses does she have all together? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's read our equation together. 9 plus 3 equals 12. One more story problem. All right, so this one here we go. Kari had 15 markers. 15. Make sure that when you're drawing your circles, a good idea when you get to these bigger numbers would be to count it as you draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I did my best to draw them not too big so they all fit on one nice, neat line. Not sloppy, nice and neat. So Kari had 15 markers. Well, 10 of those markers didn't work and she had to throw them away. 10 of these markers did not work and she threw them away. So what are we going to do? We're going to cross 10 of them off, right? Let's cross 10 off. And I'm going to count it as I do it again. I'll whisper count it so I don't bug you guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this, I'm hoping that yours looks like the same as mine or similar. Okay. How many markers does Kari have left? The ones that don't have the X's are how many she doesn't have left, or how many she does have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's write our equation, okay? Again, how many markers did Kari start with? She started with 15. And now here we go. Here's the question. Are we going to plus because we added more, or are we going to put a minus there because we took away? We are going to put a minus because we crossed off. We took away. How many markers didn't work? If you can't remember how many, we can count our X's, right? 10 of those markers did not work. Equals, how many markers does Kari have left? 5. So let's read our equation. 15 minus 10 equals 5. And remember, this goes along with our 10 and 5 more makes 15, right? Good job, everybody. I know that this can be a really weird time and a really way to do a lesson, but in my mind, it's better than nothing. And if just a few of you do it, that's okay. I would like your opinion though, if this worked out okay, if you'd like to have more lessons like this, or if it didn't work at all, that's okay too. Just be honest. Let me know in the comments on Blooms, please, or message me, whatever you'd prefer. Thank you and have a good rest of your day, everybody.